Cheating is a choice, not a mistake. In a quiet town, there lived a couple, Mia and Ryan, who had been together for years. Their love story was the kind that inspired everyone around them. They seemed inseparable, like two stars destined to shine together in the night sky. Mia often said, "When I look at Ryan, I see my whole world." And Ryan would reply, "You are my everything, Mia. I'll never hurt you." But life, as it often does, tested their bond. Ryan, in a moment of weakness, found himself growing closer to a coworker named Lily. It started innocently, a casual lunch, then long conversations, and eventually, lingering touches. Ryan told himself it was harmless, just a mistake. But one evening, he crossed the line he couldn't uncross. When he kissed Lily, he felt no joy. Instead, he was overwhelmed by an unfamiliar guilt that struck him like thunder. As he drove home that night, the silence in the car screamed louder than any words could. Mia greeted him with her usual warmth, unaware of the storm brewing inside him. Ryan couldn't meet her eyes. When she asked, "How was your day?" his heart sank. That night, as Mia slept peacefully beside him, Ryan stared at the ceiling, haunted. He imagined her tears staining his lips, her trust slipping through his fingers like grains of sand. He realized that with every kiss he had shared with Lily, he had betrayed Mia's love. And with every act of betrayal, he had turned their once flourishing field of love into barren soil. The next day, Mia stumbled upon messages on Ryan's phone, messages that confirmed her worst fears. Her hands trembled, and her chest tightened as if the air had been stolen from the room. Confronting Ryan, she asked, "Why? Was I not enough? Did you ever love me?" Ryan tried to defend himself. "It was a mistake, Mia. I wasn't thinking. It didn't mean anything." But Mia's eyes filled with tears, her voice firm yet broken. "Cheating is not a mistake, Ryan. A mistake is spilling coffee or forgetting an anniversary. Cheating is a choice you made knowing it would hurt me. If you truly loved me, you wouldn't have been able to look at someone else without seeing my pain. You wouldn't have touched someone else without feeling the weight of my heartbreak." Ryan had no words. He had taken their love for granted, assuming forgiveness would come easily. But this time, the damage was irreversible. Mia packed her things and left, choosing to value herself over staying in a broken relationship. For weeks, Ryan sat alone in the emptiness of the home they had built together, realizing too late what he had lost. Life lesson: cheating is not a mistake. It's a deliberate act that destroys trust and wounds the heart. True love is built on respect, loyalty, and care. If you truly love someone, their happiness, trust, and presence will mean more to you than any fleeting temptation. Betrayal is a choice that reveals the lack of value you place on your relationship. If you are tempted, pause and ask yourself, can you taste their tears in your actions? Can you carry the weight of their heartbreak? True love does not wander. True love honors, protects, and stays faithful.